Hi children, today we will continue with chapter 2, addition, subtraction and their applications. Today I will discuss about subtraction. First, subtraction. The number you subtract from is called the minuend, right? Minuend is what? The number you subtract from. That number is called what? Minuend. The number you subtract, that number is called subtrahend, right? And the result obtained in the subtraction, that is called difference. Is it clear? The number you subtract from the above number, that is called minuend, and the second number, that is the number you subtract, is called, that is subtrahend, and the result obtained in the subtraction is called, that is difference. Is it clear? Then some rules are also there, that is any number subtracted from itself will give 0 as the difference. Any number subtracted from the same number, you will get what only 0. That I will give you one example. Example I will give, that is 650 minus 650, you will get what only 0. Any number is subtracted from the same number, you will get 0. And the second rule is 0 subtracted from any number will give the same number itself as the difference. Difference is what? The answer in subtraction is called difference. That answer is what only? Same number itself. Any 0 is subtracted from any number, you will get the same number itself. I will give you one example, that is example 350 minus 0. You will get what? 350 itself. That is the second rule. Then we will go for the problems, right? First one, solve 8765 minus 2984. I will write it on the board. 8765 minus 2984. Right. Then first we need to start from which place only? Ones place. That is, and this number is called what? This one is called what? Minuend or subtrahend? This one is called, first number is called minuend, right? We need to write here minuend. Minuend. And the second number, that is called what? Subtrahend. Subtrahend. Subtrahend, right? And then we need to find the answer. Answer in the subtraction, that is called difference. We need to find the difference, right, between these two numbers. First number is, ones place number is 5 minus 4. That is what? 5 minus 4, that is 1. And 6 minus 8, is it possible in subtraction? No. Subtraction is always from the bigger numbers only. So we need to make 6. I need to make it bigger only, right? How we can make this number bigger? We need to borrow 1 from here. It will become what? 6, and it will become what? 16. Is it clear? Then 16 is bigger than 8. Then you can subtract. And 16 minus 8 is what? 8. And say again, 6 minus 9. Is it possible? No. Because subtraction is always from bigger number. So I need to make it as bigger. So I want to borrow 1 from where only? Next digit number is what? 8. Then it will become 7 and it will become 16. Is it clear? And 16 minus 9, that is what? 7. That is what? 5. Is it clear? And 5 minus 4, that we know, that is 1 only. and 6 minus 8, that is not possible. The reason is subtraction is always from the bigger number only. That's why I need to make it as bigger. I need to borrow 1 from 7. It will become 16. 16 minus 8 equals 8. And again I got 6 here only. But 6 is less than 9. So again I need to borrow 1 from 8. It will become 16 and 8 lost 1. That will become 7. Then 16 minus 9 is 7 and 7 minus 2 is 5. Answer is what? 5781. Next one is 30,000 minus 18,603. There are two methods for doing this. You know what's the reason? Only one digit, except only one digit, all other digits are 0 in this number. So how can we borrow? That's why we can do, the first method is reduce both numbers by 1 and then subtract. This helps to avoid borrowing also. I will give you two methods, and which one is easy for you, that you can accept. And first method is 30,000 minus 18,603. And I need to reduce 1 from these two numbers. What will I get? 30,000 minus 1. What will I get? 30,000 minus 1. And this one is also minus 1. What will I get? I will write it here only. That is 30,000 minus 1. You will get 29,999. Is it clear? And 18,603 minus 1. You will get what? 18,602. Okay. Then no need for borrowing. You can subtract it direct. 9 minus 2 is what? That is 7. And 9 minus 0 is what? 9. 9 minus 6 is what? 3. And 9 minus 8 is what? 1. And 2 minus 1 is what? 1. And answer is what? 11,397. Is it correct? 11,397 is the answer. And 30,000 minus 18,603. Except one number, all other digits are 0 in the above number. So we can't borrow one from any number here. We can borrow only from 3. So I need to reduce 1 from these two numbers. 30,000 minus 1 and at the same time 18,603 minus 1. And I got these two numbers. Then I need to subtract which number only I got? 11,397. And I will show you second method also, and which one is easy for you, that you can do it. This method is 30,000 minus 18,603. And subtraction is always starting from ones place, but ones place that is 0 only. And I need to borrow 1 from the neighboring number, that is also 0. And this number is also 0. And this number is also 0. I can borrow only from the last digit. First I need to cut it and write here 2. Then it will become 10. At that moment this number can borrow 1 from here. It will become what only? 9. And it will become what? 10. Then this number need to borrow 1 from here. Then it will become 9 and it will become 10. And this number is also 0. It can borrow 1 from here. Then it will become what? 9 and this will become what? 10. Is it clear? And 7. Then 9 minus 0. 9. 9 minus 6. 3. And 9 minus 8. 1. 2 minus 1. 1. 11,397. Which answer I got? 11,397. And this one is the method 2. Is it clear? And method 1 was what only? This one only, right? And these two, you got the same answer, right? 11,397. And the next, another method only I used, but I got the same answer here. Is it clear? Is it clear, children? And which method is easy for you? That you can do it. Okay, no problem, right? You will get the same answer. Is it? Then we will go for the next. Next one is 50,001 minus 39,486. This also, right? 1 is less than 6. So I need to borrow 1 from the neighboring number. But here is 0. This neighboring number is also 0. This neighboring number is also 0. And this one is 5 only, right? So in the last case, 4, and it will become 10. And this number can borrow 1 from here, and it will become 10, and it will become 9. And again, this number want to borrow 1 from here, then it will become 9, and it will become 10. And then this number can borrow 1 from here, it will become what? That is 11. And this will become what only? 9. Is it? And 11 minus 6 is what? 5. And then 9 minus 8 is what? 1. 9 minus 4 is what? 5. And 9 minus 9 is 0. 4 minus 3, 1. Is it clear? Okay. And then we will go for the next one, right? Next numbers are 20,106 minus 15,302. Is it clear? Then first one's place, that is 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is what? 4. Then 0 minus 0, that is 0 only, right? Then 1 minus 3, is it possible? No. So I need to borrow 1 from where only? 0 only. But I can't borrow from 0. So I need to cut it and write here 1. And it will become what? 10. And at that moment, this can borrow 1 from here, and it will become 11, and it will become 9. Is it? And 6 minus 2 is 4, 0 minus 0 is 0, and 11 minus 3 is what? 8. And 9 minus 5 is 4. 1 minus 1, 0. Is it? Then answer is what? Then I will, did you remember this? This number is called what? Minuend. Minuend. And this one is called what? Subtrahend. Subtrahend. And this one is called what? Difference. The answer in subtraction is called difference. Is it clear? Then I will give you some homework questions also. That is where text in the textbook page number 27, question number C, D, F and I. Is it clear? Okay. Don't miss your homework. You want to do it by today itself, right?